I have amazing stuff to show you guys today. It will be an expansion to the decision tree video which I have shown you guys before. I will teach you guys how to optimize your model parameters. You can see this is how my model performs after being optimized, and it trades AMD in this chart. You can see it triples the initial investment over about 350 trades, and the trading interval is daily basis. The blue line represents the model return and the green line represents the asset itself. It looks pretty decent, right? But there are greater things I'm about to show you in a second. So don't get too exciting yet. Let me walk you through all the performance charts for single stock trading first, then I will show you the results if we trade a selected pool, and that's the juicy part. Okay, let's see next one. AMGN doesn't seem bad either. It constantly went up throughout the forward test period. Amazon got 60% of gain. You can clearly see alpha right there. ASML looks pretty nice even though there seems to be a very big drawdown. BA looks okay. This one not good. It has a long period of not making any gains. Nope. Okay. I don't like this one either. CAT looks wonderful because I can see a clearly upward trend for the cumulative return. CMG not bad. Cost is not good. CVS sucks. DIS looks pretty decent. DUK looks alright. Google not bad. Goldman Sachs not bad. H looks pretty good. HON not bad. ISRC not bad. J&J pretty good. KO pretty good. I don't like LUV. MA looks insane. This is the kind of performance I want to invest my money in. I barely see any drawdowns for this one. Not good. Not good. Oh, Microsoft is another good one. This trend look awesome and insane. Netflix also looks so damn good. Not okay. Not okay. Oh my goodness. This model has generated 600% of gain for NVIDIA. I definitely will select NVIDIA. Oracle will be selected as well. Not. Nope. SHOP will be selected as well. Not this one. Not this one. Yep. Definitely TXN. Let's ignore all these ones. But damn, let's select Apple. Okay, I think this is good enough. I have selected all stocks I want to do for my trading. Let's go ahead and generate the portfolio performance for selected pools. Okay, as you can see, I have made two groups. The first list of stocks were selected by me, and the second list represents the best of the best. This is the combined performance for all the stocks selected under the first list. The performance looks incredible. I have assigned the same weight to each stock, so this performance has zero leverage. Win ratio is about 0.5525, Sharpe ratio is 5.83%, and the maximum drawdown is 5.55%. Sharpe ratio is annualized. Performance looks too good to be true. This is the combined performance for the best of the best group. The final cumulative return breakthroughs the 3.5, so it has generated more than 350% from March 2022 to July 2023. This is even more crazy, guys. Win ratio is also slightly higher. It is 0.5669. Sharpe ratio is slightly lower. It is 5.68%. The reason why it's lower because the maximum drawdown slightly increased to 5.89%. Alright, I'm done showing you all the results I have got from my optimization process. Now I'm about to show you my code. But before that, please be noted that we have a disclaimer here. All these materials provided are for educational use only. You will be solely counted for your own risks if you want to use these codes for live trading. Okay, here's the code for searching for the best parameters for our model. You can see I've made 3 for loops. The first loop is for iterate through each ticker from my selected stock list. The second loop is for training the model 50 times. And the third loop is for finding the optimized max step for my decision tree model from depths of 4 to depths of 120. I have initiated a variable called highest cumulative return to keep the record of the best results. For line 47 to line 50 is to save both model and performance to local directory. I have been running these for almost 5 days straight, 24 hours non-stop. Since this model doesn't support GPU, so I'm running with my AMD Threadripper 3960X. It has 24 cores and 48 threads. It is a very good CPU. I didn't run it with my full CPU usage because I had to use my computer to do other things as well. A week for me is pretty decent actually, because I can use my model to trade for 2 months, and then for the last week of these 2 months, I can retrain my model again to keep it fresh. That's how I plan to do it. I will definitely update with you guys of how that go. Okay, that's about it for today. I hope you guys enjoying the content. Please feel free to comment below and share with people of how you did it with your optimization process. Okay, thank you guys again for watching. I will see you on the next one.